Welcome to the next tutorial on current electricity. Here I will be solving the problem number 8. See the figure 2 where R1, R2, R3, R4 they are all of equal value. What would you expect the voltmeters V1, V2 and V3 to read? Assume that the connecting wires have negligible resistance. Now since R1, R2, R3 and R4 they are all of equal value, so let that equal value be R. That means let us assume that all these four resistances have a resistance of R. Okay, are all of equal value, which is let that value be R. So that means each of these resistance has a resistance value of R ohms. Now what is the net resistance out of these four resistances, which is 4R, because you have to just add them up. Then what is the current flow? Current flow is equal to potential difference divided by resistance, so 12 by 4R according to Ohm's law. Now what is the potential difference across R1? Potential difference is current flow multiplied by resistance. So potential difference across R1 equal to current flow. Current flow is 12 upon R current flow into resistance. Current flow is 12 upon 4R. This is current flow is 12 by 4R, so that means 12 by 4R into R, which is equal to 12 by 4, that means 3 volt. So potential difference across R1 will be 3 volt. That means that voltmeter reading V1 will show 3 volt. Similarly for V2 it will be same current flow into resistance, which is R, so same it will be 3 volt. But there will be some difference in case of V3, because here we have two resistances R3 and R4 in series, so total or net resistance from these two will be 2 into R. Therefore here potential difference will be current flow is 12 by 4R into 2R, so which will be equal to, so this is the 2R, that is the net resistance, because they are in series. Therefore current flow will be 12 by 4R multiplied by 2R, so which is coming to 12 upon 2. 12 upon 2 is coming to 6. Therefore potential difference here will be 6 volt. Now let us add up. So 6 volt in the V3, 3 volt in V2 and 3 volt in V1. So 6 plus 3 plus 3, which is coming to 12 volt, which is the potential difference of the battery.